Hey, what's up? Once again, it's your man Big John Restoration. Got a 1990 300ZX. It came in needing a lot of body work, rust repair, a lot of rust repair. And the young lady wanted to go back to factory color. So we added some red flakes just to enhance it. She started off with the paint job and the two front seats right now. But the tinted windows and the rims is coming real soon. She's doing it one step at a time. This car is kind of special to her because it belongs to a young lady by the name of Treya. Before y'all say something, she's getting the exhaust done too. See the 3 pipes, she getting that done too. But this car right here has sentimental value. And the reason I said it had a lot of rust on it and a lot of dents and dings because it was sitting for a few years. This vehicle used to belong to my little brother, Willie Carter, better known as Junior, from Norfolk, Virginia, in the Norview area. He passed away, unfortunately, in 2007 from a brain tumor. My mother kept the car, and the car was parked for years until his daughter's mother decided to get it. So she brung it in, and I repainted it for her, did the body work, did the 2 front seats. And we got rims, tires, tint, and all the audio coming next. So the car does hold value as far as something that was left from my brother. And this is my real brother. I know everybody say this is their brother, their sister, their cousin, nieces and nephews, but this was my real blood brother. Like I said, unfortunately, he passed away 2007 from a brain tumor. This is also a video to let y'all know that everything doesn't have to be airbrushed or different colors when it comes to John's Restoration. We can always restore them back the way they were. (1990) 300ZX. I just want to let my brother know we love you, we miss you. Continue to rest in peace. And we will see you again.
Your son is attempting to reach you on your cellular device.